You are a YouTuber and you have seen some videos with hashtags above their titles. On this channel, I'll be showing you some YouTube skills settings that you can use on your channel and grow your audience. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hashtags above your video titles so that you can grow your audience step by step. All you need is your mobile phone and you're ready to go. First of all, make sure you have a YouTube studio already installed on your phone. Go to the app, the YouTube studio. It will open. Let me use this channel. Select the video that you want to put hashtags. It will open, then click on the edit feature above the video, above the page there. Now go down to the description. Select description. Now here on description you can put the relevant information about your video, like this is a music video, so there is the studio where you recorded it. Then down here you can see there are some social media handles. Then you can put another account that you want to tag there, like you can use art. Then now the hashtags, put them down on the page. Like mine, let me put music video, hashtag music, hashtag love songs, hashtag remember to put relevant hashtags, not misleading hashtags. Put hashtags that are relevant to your video. Now to save, you just go back and there's a save feature above the page. Just click on it and everything is done. But they will not show here on YouTube Studio, so let's confirm from the main YouTube site. It's taking some time. It was Urbana Classic.